How to fix login error in Apple TV Plus. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a secure internet network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there's still any other kinds of login issues, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. And here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Apple TV application. Click on Show All, and you want to scroll down until you see the Apple TV Plus application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall Application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.